I've been unable to locate Jordan Kent or Morgan Edge. Shall I continue searching? John, shall I keep searching?
Yes. And don't stop.
You're going to fail. Again.
What about Edge's fortress in the Badlands?
I looked there. Mine too.
His office, his lab?
I've searched them all.
You can't hear him anywhere?
I'm listening for both of them.
Oh, I don't understand. Where could he be hiding?
I don't know.
My AI hasn't picked up anything yet.
I'm gonna go back out.
I'll come with you.
No, please, just stay here in case something happens.
Carl,
Lois,
you have to.
I will find him. I will not stop looking until I do.
We should get to...